What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel once again. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I got a few pickups that I wanted to show you guys and remind everybody of the giveaway that I got going on currently. I'm gonna get right into the unboxing. This video today is actually sponsored by nobody. It's just me. All my giveaways are from me. You know, I'm not being helped from anybody. I'm buying, selling, trading, giving away out of my own pocket. This is not sponsored, you guys. So I really appreciate you rocking with me because it's all me. So here we go, you guys, with this first shoe. I actually have one on the shelf already, but I have a future one-on-one planned with these shoes. And I was able to triple up on the Raging Bull 5s right here, you guys. You've seen these a few times already. Icy bottoms, Jumpman on the back, nice 23 right there. But yeah, I have a future one-on-one planned for these guys. You know, I like to mix in a little basketball content. I love playing basketball like two, 3 times a week whenever I can. And yeah, stay tuned for that video, you guys. I'm really excited to play my really good buddy, and you guys are gonna really enjoy him. So he's a comedian. So let's just get right into this next box, you guys. Don't let this big box fool you, because they just, whatever's in here is not as big as this box. I got it from the Nike app. It's either sneakers or Nike, I forget. I think it's just the Nike app, but I switched it up and I found a pair of slides on there that I thought were kind of interesting, and I really wanted to show you guys. Maybe you've seen them, maybe you haven't. I think it's a slide out. Maybe it's not. I don't even know how to open this, man. I have no clue how to open this. There we go. And let's check them out here. So yeah, these right here, you guys, is an Air Jordan slide. Check out the branding right here. Air Jordan tag right there. And it's like a cream color. Let's take the paper out real quick. Very soft, padded insole, you guys. And this is like a carrying pouch right here. You can throw something in here if you're you know, on the walk or whatever, hanging out. You can throw some cash in there, maybe your credit cards or whatever. You know, whatever. You got some branding right here, Jumpman on the bottom. You got some numbers here, 0s and 23. And then yeah, as far as whatever else, I guess there's a Jumpman on the inside here, on the insole. But yeah, I just thought it was a pretty crazy. Oh, and this actually opens. That's probably how you get your foot in. So there you go. This opens. It's a strap type of slide. So yeah, it's a different slide that I thought I'd show on the channel. I don't show many slides. So there's that, you guys. And these two sneakers I picked up off of StockX, and they're bangers, you guys. I don't have many 3s in the collection. I have the black cements, and I recently picked up the A Ma Manières. But I have a 3 and another Jordan 1 right here in these boxes. I don't know which is which. So I'm just opening these for the first time with you guys. So you're gonna get my initial raw reaction when I see them. And this first one looks like it's a Jordan 3. Box is a little creased right here, a little damaged, but I guess it's okay. The top part is okay. So yeah, here go the StockX stuff right here, you guys. StockX sticker. I don't buy a whole lot from StockX, but sometimes I like to price compare with GOAT, and sometimes they're cheaper on StockX. So this right here, you guys, is a Jordan 3 free throw line. Check it out, you guys. It's basically a white cement, but you got the beautiful Nike Air on the back right there, the white cement elephant print on the back and on the front. Nice tumbled leather, beautiful tumbled leather, you guys. Check it out right there. And then on the bottom, you got the icy bottoms with the free throw line right there to honor Jordan's free throw line dunk back when he was in the dunk contest. So yeah, these are absolutely sick. I wanted to add the white cements to the collection. And instead of just buying the regular white cements, I went with the free throw lines just because I love the story behind the free throw line dunk. Let's check out the other one, make sure it's in good condition. Yeah, this one doesn't have the line on the bottom, but nice icy bottoms right there, you guys. And obviously the Nike Air again, but these have a teeny bit of a crease right here, maybe from being in the box. But yeah, the leather is super nice on here. and I just love the white cement look. And I guess, you know, being a sneaker collector now, I really need these OG shoes in my collection. You know, like I'm still in the hunt for a Bred 4 in my size, and even a white cement 4 also in my size. So I'm still missing some really nice OG sneakers to add to the collection, but I thought this was a nice addition to the collection. So before I get into the last shoe, you guys, which is a Jordan 1, I'm going to remind you of this giveaway that I got going on, this Jordan 1 Shadow. Check it out over here. You guys just go to my IG, which is at Nazim Saligi, and I put a picture up for these, and just subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, and tag 3 friends in that post, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Sometimes I do YouTube giveaways, sometimes I do IG giveaways. This is an IG giveaway, so check that out if you guys are interested. And so this last shoe, you guys, like I said, is a Jordan 1. Another shoe that I guess I could have went with a different Jordan 1, but I really liked this one because it's just a different take on a lot of the other Jordan 1s that, you know, that are in the market. And like I said, it's StockX, so here's StockX stuff right here. And it's the OG Jordan 1 box. And this one, you guys, is the Jordan 1 origin story. The Spider-Mans. Look at the side with the specs. The Spider-Man specs all over. You can see it reflecting. And then you got the sick icy bottoms right there. Chicago colorway is classic. And here goes your StockX tag right there. And then you got extra red laces right here with the blue tips. And you got stock black laces on here with the red tips. Blue insole with Nike Air. And you got the Nike Air tag on here as well, which I like that a lot. But yeah, the leather on here is actually really nice. It's really nice tumbled leather. And yeah, really sick Jordan 1, you guys. I have obviously the 2013 Chicagos, and then I have the off-white Chicagos, and then I have the trophy room Chicagos basically. And I just, besides the 2013, those are kind of a regular Chicago silhouette, and I needed another one, and I thought this was, I really like this one just because of the icy bottoms. I'm a sucker for icy bottoms. So yeah, check out both of these, the Jordan 3s with the icy bottoms and the Spider-Mans with the icy bottoms. Really a sucker for icy bottoms. And yeah, they do age over time, and this one already looks like it is a teeny bit around the heel, but it's not a big deal, you know, that happens. And of course I got the Dior's with the icy bottoms. But yeah, you guys, I have one more pair of sneakers that I picked up with icy bottoms. That's coming maybe in a couple days. And then besides that, I have one other Jordan 1 that I ordered. So I got 2 Jordan 1s on the way. And I'm really excited for those next 2 pairs. I'm excited to have these as well. But I'm just growing the collection, you guys. I'm trying to get as many grails as I can. And a lot of these shoes are grails to a lot of people. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. Don't forget about the giveaway. Smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. That's it for me today, you guys. Stay tuned. I have a one-on-one and those other sneakers coming in really soon. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.